Hey everyone, so we are going to do something which I have been wanted to do for quite some time now and have been procrastinating. It is a basic dictation utility tool which is system wide specifically for Linux, and it would work on your PC or laptop flawlessly. So let me just give you a small 20-second brief, and we'll directly dive into the setup part. I don't want to waste your time. So this is the same tool which is used by GPT, this dictate tool, and honestly I have felt that this is the most accurate dictation tool out of all the LLMs, be it Gemini, Perplexity or any other. And I've used this OpenAI's Whisper repo, which is open source, in the system, right? So directly, I have provided the link of my repo. You can directly clone it or fork it, whatever you feel fit. And we directly grab the link. Here it is. Okay. So let me just take a dummy thing, checking. Okay. Let's just use this one. Okay, so we'll just clone the repo. Nice. Now, just these two commands. One thing I would like to mention that this is configured for both CUDA and CPU. So if you have GPU which is compatible with CUDA, you can use this command. And if you have the CPU, no issues, just use this one. So I will go with this because this will get downloaded faster, and the CUDA one will take some time. So just enter your password. Right, so everything is automatic, you don't need to worry about nothing. I have tried to keep the manual steps as low as possible. Right, so it is installing everything. Also, one thing I would like to mention that the moment you start the dictation tool, there might be a sudden surge in the CPU usage, which is very temporary. The moment you stop the dictation, it will immediately drop. And the same goes with CUDA. CUDA is of course faster. I have CUDA version because I have the NVIDIA. Oh, by the way, let me just show how you can check if you have CUDA or not. Right, so if you can see this, then you have CUDA, and if not, then you don't have. Right, so here you can see, and also you will find this utilization. Currently it's 1%. When I run this dictation, it goes to like 12 or 13% roughly. Anyways, see, it's installing. Let's wait. Okay, now that it's done, we'll just activate the virtual environment and run this one simple thing. And the entire process is done. It will take a minute to activate on the first run. Okay, it's activated. Let's just check this. Hi, let's check if the dictation is working or not. So as you can see, it's working. Now funny how we are utilizing this thing on GPT, which already has the dictation tool. Yeah, so now I think everything is done. You can just close this. Right. Globally, it can directly grasp the escape button. So the moment you press escape, it will exit by itself. Okay. So we already tested. It's working. Now just let's just add it on to the shortcut keys. So you just go here. So I have already added it. You can directly look here. So I named it whisper dictation. You could name it anything, and now you can directly fetch this whisper dictate.sh files address and just paste it here. And whatever shortcut key you might feel is good for you, you can just use that. So like it would work. I hope you find this useful. If you have any doubts, I would really recommend to go ahead and resolve them using GPT or something, because that would be way faster than me replying. And if you still have any doubts, do comment it out. I'll look into that. Of course, I would reply. Okay. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.